How to add social media links to YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add social media link on your YouTube channel. First of all, now go to your Play Store or App Store. Now install this YouTube Studio app. So after you install this YouTube Studio app, now you can go back and go and copy the social media link that you want to add. So let's say I'll add my Instagram link. So open the Instagram app like this now and copy as you can see now, here is now my Instagram profile link. I'll copy it. After you copy your Instagram profile link, now you can go back and open the app. Here is it now. After you open the app like this now, as you can see now, here is the interface of the app. So you can tap on this menu at the top right side. So in this session now, make sure you log into this app using the Gmail account that you open your YouTube channel. If it is not the Gmail account, this one, so you can tap on this Google account to change the Gmail account. After you select the Gmail account that is associated with the channel, so you can tap on this pencil icon. In this session now, you can tap on this add link. So in this session now, tap on this add again. So type in the title for the link. Let's say Instagram or Facebook. I'll tap Instagram. So you can add the link in this session. So tap on this done button. So here is the link now. Tap on this save button. Or if you want to add another one, you can tap on this add to add another one. I'll tap on this save button. So as you can see now, here is now the link. That's it now on how to add social media link in YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.